The concept of interdependence is fundamental to understanding the nature of existence. This means that everything we experience, our thoughts, emotions, actions, and the world around us, is influenced by a complex web of interconnected causes and conditions. It reminds us that our actions have consequences for ourselves, others, and the world around us. By cultivating awareness of interdependence, we can develop greater compassion, empathy, and responsibility towards all living beings in the environment. Impermanence, or anicca in Pali, is another key concept. It emphasizes the transient and ever-changing nature of existence, teaching that all things in the universe undergo change, decay, and eventual dissolution. Impermanence is evident in the cycle of birth, aging, illness, and death that characterizes all living beings. It is also reflected in the impermanent nature of our thoughts, emotions, and experiences, which arise and pass away moment by moment. Understanding impermanence helps us develop calmness and accept life's inevitable changes and challenges. It encourages us to let go of attachments and to find peace and contentment in the present moment. The concepts of interdependence and impermanence remind us of existence's interconnected and transient nature. They encourage us to live mindfully, with awareness and compassion, and to cultivate qualities such as gratitude, kindness, and resilience in our journey towards greater understanding and enlightenment.